Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to withdraw money from your Cash App account at an ATM. Whether you're new to Cash App or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you set in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have a Cash App account set up and a Cash Card issued. The Cash Card is essentially a debit card linked to your Cash App balance, and it's what you'll use at the ATM. If you don't have one yet, head to the app and request it. It's free and usually arrives quickly. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to check your balance. This is crucial so you know exactly how much you can withdraw without going overdrawn. Step 2. Grab your physical Cash Card from your wallet or wherever you keep it. Remember, it's a Visa debit card, so it works at most ATMs that accept Visa. Step 3. Head to a nearby ATM. Look for one that's well lit and in a safe area to avoid any issues. Insert your Cash Card into the machine. Step 4. Enter your PIN when prompted. If you haven't set up a PIN yet, go back to the Cash App and do that in the settings, security first. Step 5. From the ATM menu, select the Withdrawal or Cash Withdrawal option. Then, choose the amount you want to take out. Keep in mind that some ATMs charge fees, and Cash App might have its own limits, so double-check that in the app beforehand. Step 6. Confirm the transaction, and voila, your cash should dispense. Don't forget to take your card and any receipt for your records. A quick tip: always monitor your account for unauthorized transactions and be mindful of fees to maximize your withdrawals. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.